on today's episode of Watch Me Turn This Shed into a Smart Tiny Home on the teacher salary. Today we're going to be working on the outside of the tiny house and give it a much needed update. We're going to change the lock to the Aqara U100, and no, this is not a sponsor video, but Aqara, remember that teacher salary part I said? Yeah, it's about time for y'all to sponsor me. Moving on. What's great about this is that you can use your iPhone as a key card, but for me the most common and convenient method is always the fingerprint. This is perfect for me because I'm always somebody who's either losing his keys or forgetting to lock the door. It automatically locks back when you close the door, but you can also access the home app and unlock it and lock it from anywhere. Let's just say you're hosting guests or using this lock for Airbnb. You can give guests a temporary code to be able to access the space. And anytime this lock is used, you get a notification across all your Apple devices, including your iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. And I know what you're thinking, what if the system goes down and I can't get into my house? Well, it doubles as a traditional lock and comes with 2 keys that you can use. So like and follow so this teacher salary can turn into an influencer salary.